Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
जी चर्चेन आसा ते म्युनिसिपॅलिटीज ऑर्डिनन्स जे सरकारान पास केला ते. आता पयलो प्रश्न पडटा सरकाराक हे ऑर्डिनन्स हाडपाची वेळ कित्याक आयली. ऑनरेबल गव्हर्नरान 25 जानेवारी असेंब्ली कॉल केल्ली आसता. इतलें आसतना सरकाराक कितें इमर्जन्सी आयिल्ली ऑर्डिनन्स पास करपाची. I have not seen a verbal statement from the CM saying that he has withdrawn that ordinance. It was just a verbal assurance given in the party office. He has to make a statement, being a CM of Goa, that this ordinance is against. Can an ordinance be withdrawn by the government? It's an ordinance passed by the honorable governor. So what is the procedure to withdraw this ordinance? Why this ordinance was passed in haste without consultation with the stakeholders? वो amendment आसा, it's against the uniform civil code. Married daughter जर आसा, तिका तो हक्क मेळना लॅसी प्रॉपर्टीचेर. हांगा बरयल्लें आसा, member of family of lessee means lessee spouse बायल ताजी चलो, unmarried daughter, unmarried granddaughter. Why not a married daughter?